Lesson 47. Everyday English. Part A. Things we do every day. Wake up, get up, go to the bathroom, have a shower, have breakfast, listen to the radio. T is silent, do not say it. Go to work, come home, make dinner, phone or call a friend, watch TV, go to bed. Part B. Sometimes I wash clothes. Clothes, pay attention to the pronunciation. Clean the house, go for a walk, long or walk, write letters or emails. Part C. Expressions. How often do you go out? How often do you watch a film? 3 or 4 times a week. What time do you get up? What time do you go to work? At 7 o'clock normally. How do you go to work? Work, not walk, but work. Long O sound. Usually by bus, by train, by car. Exercises. 47.1. What do they usually do? Number 1. He listens to the radio every day. Number 1. Number 2. She every Saturday. What does she do every Saturday? She washes her clothes every Saturday. Number 3. He every weekend. Cleans the house every weekend. Number 4. He every evening. Watches TV every evening. Number 5. She every Sunday. Goes for a walk every Sunday. 47.2. Ask questions. Topic, question, answer. So we have the answers to make the questions. So 7:30 usually. What time do you get up? At 7:30 usually. Number 2. Every Saturday. How often do you go for a walk? That is the first, that is the second part of our sentence. Every Saturday. Number 3. By train. How do you go to work? Do you go to work by train? Number 4. At about 7 o'clock usually. When do you have dinner? At about 7 o'clock usually. Number 5. I normally walk home. How do you come home from work? Do you come home from work? I normally walk home. Number 6. 2 or 3 times a week. How often do you phone your best friend? Do you phone your best friend 2 or 3 times a week? Number 7. When? On Saturday morning usually. When do you clean your room? Clean your room. on Saturday morning usually. Number 8. What? Usually at about 11 p.m. What time do you have a shower? Usually at about 11 p.m. 47.3. Complete the sentences about yourself. Number 1. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Number 2. I go to the bathroom and have a shower. Number 3. I usually have toast for breakfast. Number 4. I go to work by... Actually, I don't go to work because I work remotely. I work from home. Number 5. I usually have a cup of tea, coffee, at 8 o'clock. A cup of tea, not coffee. Number 6. I usually come home at... This is not true about me because I work from home and I don't have this exact time when I come back home because I'm at home. Number 7. I usually cook dinner at 8 o'clock. In the evenings, I normally read books. In the evenings, I normally read books or listen to music. Number 9. Sometimes I 1 or 2 emails or listen to the radio. Actually, I never send emails or listen to the radio. And last one, I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock. This is it about me. What about you guys? Write me in the comments and I will see you next time. Bye!